Good morning. So we wake up, we had a breakfast, and actually we are moving forward. And today's plan is to drive to about 400 maybe more kilometers, and also we'll be basically all day on the road. So I don't expect any special stops. Actually, one thing left before we're leaving this place, it's filled up our freshwater tank. I saw water stream nearby here at the place, but yeah, I think we need somehow to manage to fill it up. Got the instruments. Okay, so I stopped to rest my feet and stretch my legs, and also I noticed that my battery isn't charging. So I checked it and I found the issue. Issue is the loose bolt of the 12-volt socket. As you can see, this bolt is loose, and in the middle, how the plastic inside is melted. Yeah, probably. Yeah, so this is the issue. I need to fix it quickly and yeah, move it on. Fixed. Guys, I have a problem. It's traffic under here. We found just a parking lot to stay and eat a dinner, so we will make it from yesterday mushrooms what we found. And yeah, we drive about 200 kilometers plus minus, and I think it's left 163 until the sleeping area where we're staying. One more thing, I found the lake. I can see the lake, and I saw some kind of narrow path to it, so I think I will go for a swim. After 150 kilometers, we arrived at the parking lot, but this parking lot is in the mountains, so actually in the road we meet a lot of moose, so it was incredible and actually dangerous, because moose walking on the road just freely. Yeah, they don't give up. And while sun is up, we are ready to move for a little walk, maybe hiking, and we will see if hiking will be the long way or short way. Yeah, come along.